Go.
First, we need to assemble. Pile driver. That's all. Help the car make its way. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. You're doing really great. Let's drive the piles for the foundation. Let's wash. Pile driver. Don't stop. We did it. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. It's time to fuel. Drop side truck. Ready. Let's prepare for the concrete pouring. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle to its silhouette. Keep it up. First, we need to assemble. Cement mixer. Obstacles together with the car. Let's pull down the lever to complete the action and clear the road. Pull the lever down to lower it. Ready. Let's put concrete for the foundation. We need to wash. Cement mixer. assemble. Drop side truck. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Let's build a frame. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Ready. First, we need to assemble. Crane truck. You're doing really great. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Now you try. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Keep it up. Let's install the roof. We need to wash. Crane truck. Keep up the good work. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. Ready. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Good work. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. We did it! Let's finish the walls. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Ready. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. Done! We have to assemble bucket lift. You're doing really great. The car has to overcome the obstacles. Help it. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Hooray! We need to protect the house from foul weather. Let's wash. Bucket lift.